In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to Teamspace on Notion. If you collaborate in Notion, Teamspaces help organize work by department, project, or function, and adding the right people ensures they can find and contribute to what matters. I'll guide you through the exact clicks to invite teammates, plus a few practical tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion.com. On the homepage, click Log In. In this example, I'll sign in with Google, so I'll choose the Google option and then select my account from the list. If you use a different sign-in method, that's completely fine. The rest of the process is the same once you're inside your workspace. This flow also works the same on the desktop app. Once Notion loads, look to the top left for your workspace name. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it to open the workspace menu, then select Settings. This opens your workspace settings and permissions. If you don't see what I'm about to show, you may not have admin privileges, so you'll need someone with admin access to complete these steps. In Settings, scroll until you reach the Admin section. Under Admin, click Teamspaces. You'll see a list of all Teamspaces in your workspace. Find the specific Teamspace where you want to add people and click its name. This opens the management view for that Teamspace, so you can control who has access without changing anything else in your workspace. At the top, go to the Members tab. Now click Add Members. In the field that appears, start typing the person's email address. Notion will search for existing members in your workspace directory. If you see the correct person appear, click their email to select it. If they aren't part of your workspace yet, you can type their full company email address to invite them. Using their official work email helps keep access clean and auditable. With the right address selected, click Invite. Notion sends an invitation right away. The person will receive an email to join, and until they accept, they may show as pending in the members list. If they don't see the message, ask them to check spam or promotions. After they join, you can return to the same members area to review their level of access within the Teamspace and keep it aligned with the principle of least privilege. And that's it. You've signed in, opened workspace settings, navigated to the Teamspace's admin area, selected the correct space, and invited people by email. Save this process for onboarding new teammates or bringing cross-functional partners into the work they need, and your Teamspaces will stay organized and secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.